Hi, my name is Jojo and I do things with tents and tarps in Sweden's nature. And today I have the square canvas shelter here with me. It is 4 by 4 meters and it is 100% cotton. It is the same fabric as the Sibley Pro and ProTech tents. So let's take a look. Oh, that is a very big bag. That is nice. What do we have here? The corners are reinforced with a loop and a messing ring for poles. Speaking of poles, I also have here this telescopic pole, which is quite high. Is that 3 meters maybe? 266. It is really light and can be used with everything where this fits through. Which is not this tarp. Can you? Ah. I guess that's how it's supposed to work. Okay. You put that through and then you can put it over here again so that it doesn't, that the water doesn't come in. Oh. That seems smart. I also have a rope set. It consists of 4 ropes, 4 carabiners and 4 triangular sliders where you can put tension on the rope. They are very nice because they have some reflective thread woven into it. So in the evening or at night when you go around with your headlamp, it will reflect and you won't fall over your ropes. So it is 100% cotton, treated that it's waterproof, same fabric as the Sibley Bell tents, the Pro and the ProTech version. 320 grams per square meters. And since this fits very well with my tent, let's pack it and go there. So tarps like this can of course be set up in various different kinds of ways. Here I tried to set it up as a kind of an A-frame angled roof, with one side directly attached at the tent entrance and just one center pole and all the corners through guy lines to the ground. Another option is to use 4 of these poles, one in each corner, which gives you a nice and large area in front of the tent. This setup is probably better for sunny days. If it's raining and very windy, you might want to put everything at an angle or use more sturdy poles. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you get to spend a lot of time outside in nature. Bye!